ब्रेक पर स्वागत। भुवनेश्वर किट रे भारतीय आईन संस्थान आईआईएल शिलान्यास उत्सव में जोग देइछन्ति सुप्रीमकोर्ट विचारपति और बीसीसीआई कर्मकर्ता। देखिबा एहार सीधा प्रसारण।
Council of India, One Council of India Trust sitting on the dash. Similarly, we are very much happy. We have with us Honorable Mr. Justice Vishwanath Rathji from the Odisha High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Debabrata Das from the Odisha High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjeev Panigrahi from the Odisha High Court, and also Honorable Mr. Justice B.P. Das, Honorable Mr. Justice L.K. Mahapatra, Honorable Mr. Justice B.K. Patel, Chairperson of the Human Rights Commission, and also we have with us, as we all know, the renowned law academicians of the country, former Chancellor of KIT University and present Professor Emeritus of KIT Law School, respected Professor M.L. Mitra ji. We have also with us on the audience side Honorable President of KIT and KIT Society, Srimati Shashwati Bal, our esteemed Secretary of the KIT and KIT Society, R.N. Das, and esteemed Vice President of the KIT and KIT Society, Umapada Bose. Similarly, we have with us many invited guests, particularly renowned law academicians and also the Vice Chancellor of NALSAR and former founder director of KIT Law School, esteemed Faizana Mustafa ji. Similarly, Honorable Vice Chancellor of NUGS Calcutta, former director of KIT Law School, Professor Nirmal Chakrabarti ji. Professor Y.P. Singh ji, Vice Chancellor of MLU Odisha, and all the other respected academicians from the law background and others invited present here. We have with us esteemed judicial officials of the Odisha state, esteemed officials from the Bar Council of India present here, esteemed senior advocate and advocates of the state present here, and particularly from the entire Bar Council of the entire state of Odisha, all the respective advocates present here. And we have also with us our own Vice Chancellor, Pro Vice Chancellor, Registrar, and all the respected of KIT University and KIS University, all the respected Dean Directors and the other senior professors, administrative staffs of these two universities, including Director of the KIT Law School, Bhavani Prasad Panda, present here. Honorable MLAs present here, including Mohidhara Ranaji, Honorable MLA present here, and all the other invited guests and the advocates and other intellectual persons from the different sectors present here, and particularly our respected media persons, both from electronic and also print media, and all the other invited ladies and gentlemen. So definitely it is a very great historic moment for all of us, and as a founder of KIT and KIS, it is a Bar Council of India Trust functions, but as it is being held in KIT premises, it's my great pleasure and duty also to heartily welcome the esteemed judge of Honorable Supreme Court, Honorable Justice Uday Umesh Lalit of the Supreme Court of India. I also welcome Honorable Justice Bhushan Ramkrishnan Gavai ji of the Supreme Court of India. I also welcome Honorable Justice V. Ramasubramanian ji of the Supreme Court of India present here. And also I extend heartiest welcome to the Honorable Chairman of the Bar Council of India, Bar Council of India Trust, Manan Misra ji, all the other honorable members of the BCI Trust present here. Particularly it's my great pleasure to welcome our Ashok Parija ji, Honorable Advocate General of the Odisha State, and Manas Mahapatra and others. So as a founder of KIT and KIS, also I welcome all the BCI officials, judicial officials, and all the other officials, senior advocates, everybody present here. So today is a really very historic day for the Odisha state and particularly KIT family, because today is the foundation ceremony of establishment of Indian Institute of Law. Odisha state, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik ji, has transformed from its dubious picture of natural disasters, poverty and malnutrition to that of progress, development and promise. The establishment of IIL is a matter of pride for Odisha state, and I am certain the state government will provide all requisite support for the successful setup and running of this IIL. Such a rare feat is possible due to the grand gesture of the Bar Council of India, and particularly Sri Manan Misraji, Chairman of the Bar Council of India and Bar Council India Trust. It would not have been come true if it were not for the strong will of Sri Manan Misraji. Besides his fearless, timeless and unfading contribution in the field of legal jurisprudence of India, he is a good person with a good heart and social bent of mind. Desire plus stability is equal to resolution. Resolution plus hard work is equal to success. I quoted our Honorable Prime Minister. I add success plus social bent of mind is equal to revolution. This quote defines Manan Misraji. Collaboration between government and private sectors in academic at this level is a path-breaking and a norm-setting decision that has set a precedent in India. It is a step in right direction for India also as the organization that is performing and delivering well and ticking all the right boxes should be given encouragement.